So let's see one more example where we are going to verify whether an Aadhaar number is valid or not. So just before we start to test the Aadhaar number is valid or not, let us understand an Aadhaar number validity depends on it should have maximum 12 digits, minimum and maximum 12 digits. It cannot be less than that. And the very first digit of your Aadhaar number must begin with between 2 and 9. I mean, it should not start with 0 or 1. And following 11 digits after the first digit can be any digit. I mean, it can be 0, it can be 1, it can be up to 9. Any digit you can take. So now going through this validation. So first of all, we have imported a RE module. And here we are asking the user to input the Aadhaar number. Now the pattern you can see here, we have started a pattern where 2 to 9. Okay, so any digit between 2 and 9 is accepted. And this within curly bracket 1 indicate that we are going to have only one occurrence of this digit. So any one digit of between 2 and 9 is accepted. Followed by, again you can see here we have written 11, which is nothing but preceding the expression. What is the expression here? 0 to 9. So any digit between 0 and 9 should be available how many times? 11 times to be exact. Okay. So it starts with any digit between 2 and 9 and it ends with any digit between 0 and 9, and how many occurrences has to be there? 11. So this is 11 occurrence and this has to be one occurrence. So total 12 digits has to be there. If you pass on any number of digits which is less than 12 or it is more than 12, then that is also not a valid Aadhaar number. So now once the pattern is defined, so we are calling the full match on this pattern defined and the Aadhaar number that we have read here. So as we understand, full match may return none if the pattern do not match with the given number. And if it is matching or fitting into, of course, it is going to return the match object. So now if match object is returned, then this condition will be true. Hence we get a message like the number is valid Aadhaar number. In case the full match is going to return none, then else part will execute where is printing that it is an invalid Aadhaar number. Now let's see one output. So here we have passed this number. So you can see the very first digit is 2. So which is matching with this particular pattern, which says that any of the digits between 2 and 9 is accepted. Now followed by these digits which are if you count exactly, they are 11 digits actually. So exactly 11 digits we are expecting any digit 0 and 9. So this is matching with the pattern. Hence it is a valid Aadhaar number. Let's say we have given one more Aadhaar number where you can see the very first digit begins with 1. But as per the pattern, the first digit should be in between 2 and 9. It cannot be 0, it cannot be 1. Hence this pattern is not going to match. As a result, the full match will return none. Hence, the else part will execute printing that it is an invalid Aadhaar number. Now, let us verify here the same pattern we have used here. So, now when I run this, let's say I'm supplying an Aadhaar number which starts with, for example, 2 followed by say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I've exactly supplied 12 digits beginning with 2. So hence it is a valid Aadhaar number. Let's say we give one more number which begins with 1 followed by let's say 2, 4, 8. Okay, so I'm passing 12 digits once again. See, this is 4, 4 and 4. So 12 digits. But because it begins with 1, it should be an invalid Aadhaar number. So in case if I give something more than 12 or less than 12, that is also considered as an invalid Aadhaar number. Let's say I'm giving a number which starts with valid. Suppose I'm just giving a bigger number which is more than 12 digits. Okay. So still we are getting the output like invalid Aadhaar number.